there, math enthusiasts! Today I'm going to help you master one-to-one and onto functions in just 3 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about one-to-one functions or injective functions. Imagine you're at a party, and everyone has a unique hat. No two people have the same hat. That's what a one-to-one function is like. Every input has a unique output. For instance, if I plug in 2 and get 4, I should never plug in another number and get 4 again. Each output is paired with one and only one input. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, let's see an example. Say fx equals 2x plus 3. If we plug in 1, we get 5. Plug in 2, we get 7. Notice how no two inputs give the same output? That's a one-to-one function for you. Now, onto functions, also known as surjective functions. Picture a different party where the goal is to make sure every seat is filled. In math terms, every possible output or seat is taken by some input. No empty seats allowed. For example, consider g all x equals sine x squared. If our codomain is non-negative numbers and we plug in any real number, we can cover every non-negative number. That means every seat in the codomain is filled. That's an onto function. However, if our codomain includes negative numbers, g all x equals sine x squared wouldn't be onto, because you can't get a negative number by squaring a real number. So, when is a function both one-to-one and onto? That's called a bijective function. Imagine a party where each hat is unique and every seat is filled. Every input maps to a unique output and every possible output is covered. Perfect balance. For example, hx equals sine x plus 1 over all real numbers is bijective. Each input gives a unique output, and every real number can be hit by some input. That's the jackpot of functions. Alright, math enthusiasts, that's your 3-minute crash course on one-to-one and onto functions. Remember, one-to-one means unique outputs for each input, and onto means every possible output is hit by some input. Combine them, and you get a bijective function. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more math adventures. See you next time!